Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set animation text in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now press on this text option. Now click on add text. Now write your text. Now here you can see different options: fonts, style, effects, animations, bubbles. If you want to set your animation text, you just have to press on this animation option. Here you'll find different type of animation. You can select one of them which you like. After selecting it, you just have to press on the sign option. That's it. So this is how to set animation text effect in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.